Hello student, this is our chapter number 3 of Social Studies, Evolution of Transport. In our last class, we have discussed about the invention of wheel, research, reaching distant places, trade and voyages. Now, in today's class, we are going to study the modern means of transport. All the modern day vehicles are powered by engines. In our modern days, all the uh, power by all the vehicles are powered by engines. As we know that our first James Watt, a British engineer, British scientist, invented a really useful steam engine. The engine was initially used in textile industry and the engine was initially used in textile industries and was later widely used in railways. First, the engine was used in textile industry, and after that, that engine was used in our railways. The invention of steam engine is considered as the second most important invention that helps in our traveling. However, with the passage of time, the use of steam engine outdated, become become old. Today, the modern means of transport functions on engines that use petrol, diesel, and electricity and gases. In nowadays, we can see that our in which engines we are going to travel or we are traveling, that are made up of and uses the petrol, diesel, electricity, and gases. Means of land transport. What are the land transport vehicles? The land transport include roadways and railways. The various vehicles that moves on road in cities are our bicycle, motorcycle, motorbikes means cars, buses, auto rickshaw, e-rickshaw, etc. That all are the vehicles that moves on the roads for traveling short distance and for long distance also. Car and buses move in cities and are also used for intercity transport, means one city to another city. If you want to go, then we use car and buses. For the means of land transport, there are good roads in cities. State highways are the roads that connects important cities of a state, and that state highways connect the important cities of the state. After that, national highway connect the state capital, big cities, towns, and ports. And the national highways works to connect the state capitals, big cities, towns, and ports. In cities, flyover have been constructed, which are roads on elevations. Moreover, developed countries also have freeways. In India, the Golden Quadrilateral road system will connect Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Golden Quadrilateral means our main road that connects the four big cities Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Trains are the most popular means of public transport in India. Train runs on tracks and stops at different stations. Passengers train carry peoples while goods train carry bulky goods, only goods of the different industries or different factories. The railway network in India is controlled by the Indian Railway. Indian Railway controls the railway network. It is the largest railway network in our Asia and the second largest in the whole world. In India, Shatabdi Express and Rajdhani Express are the fastest train. So in our India, Shatabdi Express in the Rajdhani is the fastest train. Moreover, now metro trains are also found in big cities: Bengaluru, Kolkata, Delhi, Noida, Lucknow. The in metro cities, the metro trains are running, which operates in the city only, and that trains runs or operates within the city only. So that's all for today's class. Student, we will discuss means of water transport and means of air transport in our next class. Thank you, class.